Because I'm gonna ride my bike all the way down there.
Yeah. He's gonna do it and he's gonna fall and he's gonna die.
Gonna do it, and I'm not gonna give him any money.
Your face, bro.
She's thinking about what he's gonna do
Oh.
in heaven. I'm not even kidding.
Okay, so next few videos we're gonna be at this place called The Cabin. Or it's like this place where it's like my grandparents own. Not Gavin, which is me, my grandparents own.
Don't die.
And we're gonna go there and we're gonna post a few videos maybe when we get back or when we're there. Okay? Ethan, you're almost there!
Yo.
He did it.
I guess
He
I'm
did
right
it.
back now.
Now you have to do it again. Come back.
Come back.
He's not doing that
Emotional dots.
right now. Yeah. Watch out for the alligator. Look at all them leaves, brother. All them leaves. Oh, he's coming back. Dun, dun, dun. Oops. Star Wars theme plays. Crap.
My pants are soaked. Now do a B-hop. J-hop. Oh wait, no! Oh,
You almost slipped. I mean, you slipped, but you almost.
sorry, Mom.
Wasn't him.
But make sure to subscribe and like, and then Ethan will ride off. I will ride off that. I'm gonna wear a helmet. And
You
stuff,
ride
though.
off that?
Okay, honestly,
Our 50 subscriber special, okay?
If you get 50 subscribers, I will hop
He
off
will-
this
he
ledge
will
for
ride
you.
He will ride down here.
And maybe
he'll die.
I'll do a bar spin. I'll do a bar spin. And
maybe he'll die.
Maybe I might die. That made me pump. I'm hyped.
Well, if you die, you're telling me.
You are high.
That is one of our rules, right?
Yeah. If you
No,
die-
wait, no. Gavin didn't make it a rule.
Shut
If we
up.
die,
So
you-
how long? Okay, so this has been like this for the past like 3 days.
I know.
And today,
It's only rained
use
twice.
the courage to go through it.
Yay!
Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Someone put anything bad in your
Like a drug.
Did someone drug your water?
Look at my eyes. I'm fine, buddy.
Where did you get that?
Nah.
So like, comment, and view their video.
Share with your friends because
Share with your friends.
I want to do more hype stuff. You guys want to see me do more hype stuff. You guys want to see me scream like Morgs, right?
No, got 50 subscribers.
50.
And you'll ride down that.
0. I will ride down that.
That's honestly not that big.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's like
I'll
2
ride
feet
down
tall.
that. No, but
My dad said he would.
I did this. I held it down. And I thought I could go like that. My bike would flip up.
That's
It's
pretty
like a
gnarly.
50-50 chance that would happen.
That's why you'd have to go fast.
Hmm?
The way you'd have to go fast.
Yeah, you get the started for like... I know, I'm going to pop a wheelie when I do it too.
That's messed up though, because you're gonna fall and go psh, and then you're gonna die and we're gonna laugh at you. And then we're gonna name the video Crazy Teenage. Then we're gonna name the video. And then we're gonna name the video Ethan gets killed by water.
By running water.
By water. That's the water that kills Ethan. Well, what's the fun in that, Ethan?
You know what? I'm just going to end it here. We'll see you guys later.